Go back to the basics in your diabetes care. Diabetes is a medical condition that should be taken seriously by anyone afflicted with it. However, it does not have to devastate your life, if you take the steps and precautions necessary to treat diabetes every day. By taking control of your diabetes, you can live a satisfying and fulfilling life. Don't worry about having a diabetes bag that you carry around with you, just keep syringes in your purse, jacket pockets, car, and desk at work. Keep your meter and insulin with you in a small bag or your purse and you'll be ready for injections no matter where you end up. If you suffer from diabetes or are at risk of developing the disease, it is a good idea to eat a diet that is high in fiber. Fiber, which is found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and beans, prevents diabetes by buffering the sugar or carbohydrates in your diet, keeping your blood sugar even instead of having it fluctuate. The more you exercise, the more insulin sensitive you become. Even if you're not feeling well or injured, you'll need to find something to do that gets your heart pumping. If your legs aren't working, use your arms, or vice versa. Even rolling around on the floor can get your diabetes in check. In order to be healthy in the midst of having diabetes, it is very important to eat the right kind of food. It is good to switch to food that is high in fiber, such as whole grains. These types of foods contain refined carbohydrates that help decrease the risks associated with diabetes. Be passionate about having diabetes and become an advocate for the disease. Type 2 diabetes is preventable, and it's costing our government billions of dollars in treatment for people who can't afford it. You may not be one of those who are tapping the system for your care, but speaking up about what you know to help others avoid the disease will help us be able to use our money for more important things. Even if you feel like your diabetes has gotten better, it is important not to stop taking your medications unless a doctor tells you it is all right to do so. The medications are most likely what is keeping your diabetes symptoms under control, so without them, your glucose or insulin levels could get out of control. As stated earlier, you can be a proactive part of your treatment of diabetes. You have the obligation to yourself to make the best informed choices to minimize the negative effects of diabetes on your life. Following these tips will help ensure you have a lifetime of happiness, without being controlled by your diabetes. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.